Welcome to West Park Avenue, a 3-bedroom semi-detached property. If you're looking for a home office, this has got one for you. Let's have a look inside. So as you enter in off the porch, you come into this open plan lounge dining space to this end, lounge down there. Dual aspect windows means it's flooded with natural light, and my favourite feature is the wood burner. And many people buy a house on how it feels. Well, that fire gives the entire house a really warm and homely feeling. And then check this room out at the bottom of the garden, an absolutely great space. So if you're looking for a home office, it's never been higher up people's agenda than right now, then this is a fantastic space. With its own separate WC, it's completely separate from the house, a fantastic place to work or to relax.